What up, gang? Well, we just found out that technology is unreliable because we just lost all of the GoPro footage from the crappie catch and cook video. So there won't be any of those catches on the beginning of this video. So instead, we're just gonna roll right into the cooking part. So here it is. What up, gang? We on the bank. Y'all saw them crappie we caught? We're about to fillet these bad boys up and we're gonna make some fish tacos. This is lunchtime, we're starving, been on the water grinding it out all morning, catching some good fish, caught some good keeping and eating fish. So we're about to get this bad boy going. Let's check it out. We got some crappie in here. Everything is obviously cold, ready to go. We got cilantro, we got pico, we got tortillas, we got everything you need to make some banging fish tacos. Some I've never done before, some y'all never seen before, but should be a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get rolling. I'm gonna save y'all all the boring antics and all that other stuff. I'm not gonna show y'all me filleting the fish and all that other stuff. I will show you that we do got crappie, so we is gonna fillet these bad boys up, and I'm gonna save y'all all the dirty work. So yeah, we'll check back in once we get these bad boys cut up and ready to go over there in that hot skillet. That bad boy got some shoulders on him.
Okay. One condition though, Carter. You have to promise you won't fall in love with me.
Alright, gang, we got those crappie nice and seasoned up. We just used something really simple, one of my favorite things, some Weber garlic jalapeno. We're not gonna batter these or anything like that. We got a little bit of oil and we're gonna pan fry these bad boys right here in this cast iron skillet. I got some, again, tortillas, some pico de gallo, a little bit of lime and avocado, and some cilantro. We're gonna plate these bad boys up right after that. And I'm gonna show you what these tacos look like. And we're gonna get a taste test, and that's gonna be the end of it. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the crappie fish taco. Bam, bam, killer. Gotta hit it with a little bit of that lime juice right there. Bam. That's what we've been waiting for right there. Bro. That's banging right there, son. Banging. Absolutely banging.